Okay, movie stars. Today we have a Fiat Panda. The car came in with lost radio code or with no radio code. The battery was disconnected, so now we need to find a radio code. Here you can see the picture of the dashboard. You have to remove the radio by pressing 4 wires into those 4 holes. Press it in and then very carefully remove it. We will make a video in future to do that. Then you have to allocate the serial number and the part number. You will see it's on this label. It's also engraved into the metal, just in case the label gets damaged. You will see it here shortly. After you get this number, you can send it to us. If you are a member on our website, which you will find the link below, we will assist you in getting this code. Otherwise, there is quite a few online radio services that don't charge too much. You just send them the serial number and they will assist you with a code, and then we will post the procedure as well at the later stage. Okay.